Sally, what was going through your mind during the decision-making process? We'd obviously provided you with the facts and figures, but after you'd had time to think about that, what was going through your head?
I think there was lots of things like, are we really going to get those savings that, people have said? Is it going to work? Is it, what is it going to look like? Going forward, it's, it's almost like you've got to do it because you're going to save so much and it's an enormous amount of money, and you add that up over year upon year and upon year, and and our costs aren't going to come down. No. They're just going to keep going up, and it was ridiculous amounts of costs that we had.
Absolutely.
So I think it was just like, we've just got to do this. And
there's a point, isn't there?
Yeah, it's a tipping point. You have to just go with it.
There's the point where it becomes more costly not to do it than to actually do it, sort of thing.
Yeah, and we could have waited another couple of years, but what were we waiting for? Absolutely. We would have been talking about $5,000 that we would have wasted by that point. So, let's do that, and let's, have that $5,000 sitting in our pocket.